Greetings everyone. We are back to change of base. It's still part of logarithm, change of base. In practice, the base of a logarithm can be changed for easy computation. And the rule adopted says that log b to base a times log c to base b is equal to, you can see b is here, so this is the rule adopted. This is log c to base a, hence log b to base a equal to log c to base a all over log c to base b, and log c to base b equal to log c to base a all over log b to base a. I'll check if I'm correct. No, don't worry with it. Log b to base a equal to equal to b, and log c to equal to. Okay. Now we are going to solve some examples using change of base formula. Simplify the followings. It's very interesting. Example. Simplify the followings. Log 4 to base 3 times log 81 to base 4. II log 64 to base 5 times log 5 to base 2. Find the value, the product of the, find the value of the products, find the value of the products log 3 to base 2 log 5 to base 4 log 3 to base 2 log 4 to base 3 log 4 to base 3 log 5 to base 4 log 7 to base 6 log 7 to base 6 and log 8 to base 7. So we're going to use the adopted rule to simplify all of these. It's very interesting and simple. Now let's go. Solution. We have the first one, log 4 to base 3 times log 81 to base 4. If you followed attentively to the rule adopted, you see that now here is 4. We are going to eliminate the repetitions, numbers that repeated themselves. Like here, we have 4 here, we have 4 here. So we are going to adopt, so it becomes equal to log 81 to base 3. Now, log 81 to base 3, you check how many times is 3 going to multiply itself to give us 81. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 7, 7 times this 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times another 3 is 81. So 3 multiplying itself 4 times will give us 81. It becomes log 3 raised to power of 4 to base 3. Remember, log to its own base is 1. Therefore, we have 4 log 3 to base 3, giving the answer as what? 4. That is the answer for this. The 4 we eliminated, so it has become the answer there. Now the next one is I log 64 to base 5 times log 5 to base 2. You eliminate this because there is a repetition. So it becomes log 64 to base 2. How many times is 2 going to multiply itself to give us 64? 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times another 2 is 8. 4 times another 2 is 16. And 2 going to multiply itself to give us 64 is simply 6 times. So here becomes 2 raised to power 6 to base 2. 6 log 2 to base 2. 6 log 2 to base 2. The answer is 6. Now, the last one. Just know the rule. The last one we have log 3 to base 2, log 4 to base 3, log 5 to base 4, log 7 to base 6, and log 8 to base 7 is equal to, you pick them 2, 2. Pick them in twos. You pick the first 2. If you pick the first, you can see 3 here. You can see 3 here. What do? You now adopt log 4 to base 2. You pick the next 2. Wait, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is not complete. Log 3 to base 2, log 4 to base 3, log 5 to base 4, log 6 to base 5, log 7 to base 6, log 8 to base 7. Now, how do we solve this? How do we simplify this? You pick them in twos. You pick the first 2. Adopting the rule, the first 2, you can see 3 here, 3 here. So the rule, what to adopt now becomes log 4 to base 2. You pick the next 2, there is 5 here, there is 5 here. So you adopt log 6 to base 4. The next one, the next 2 is C7 here, C7 here. You adopt log 8 to base 6. Now you continue again. There is 4 here. This is eliminated. Now you adopt log 6 to base 2 and then log 8 to base 6. You can see there is 6 here and there is 6 here. So It will now be log 8 to base 2, which is equal to log 2 raised to power 3, because 3 multiplying itself 3 times will give us 8 to base 2, equal to the power multiplying the log, it becomes 3 log 2 to base 2. Log to its own base is 1. Therefore, our answer is 3. This is how we do change of base. It is very simple and interesting. Thank you for your time. Always subscribe to our videos. Thank you.